If you want to start or scale your e-commerce journey, the right e-commerce YouTube channel is your best friend. We have the top 5 channels and their secret specializations. Our first essential e-commerce YouTube channel is Aiden Ecom. His specialty is expert Shopify store design and conversion rate optimization, or CRO. He shows you how to build a stunning, trustworthy store, which benefits you by reducing wasted ad spend and maximizing sales from every visitor. Next up, Digital Hustle. This channel specializes in Amazon FBA, focusing heavily on FBA sourcing and listing optimization. Viewers here learn low-risk inventory strategies and how to get their products to the top of Amazon search results. For scaling, check out Marketing Mastery. Their specialization is advanced paid advertising, focusing on sophisticated Google Ads and email automation funnels. This e-commerce YouTube channel helps you move past the basics to build automated systems for scalable, high-volume sales and strong customer retention. Our fourth pick is the Product Finder. Their specialization is finding winning products and analyzing market trends. Their viewers benefit from seeing actionable, data-driven videos that identify high-demand niches before they become saturated. Finally, Scale Simplified focuses on the complex back-end of operations. Their specialization is logistics, fulfillment, and team building. This channel is crucial for established businesses, helping viewers streamline shipping and fulfillment, turning complex operations into smooth, profitable systems. These 5 e-commerce YouTube channel options give you a complete roadmap to e-commerce success this year. Pick your area of growth and start learning today.